potential builder is watching this, and I can give them a hint maybe. It's that the flux corners called out in the plans say to use your finger if that's acceptable. We know by now that handling raw epoxy with your bare skin is not acceptable. Will probably give you some really bad reactions. But I was struggling to get the flux corners right with the glove over my finger. The glove, you know, as you pull it, tends to fold into that seam and just wipe everything out. It's what happened when I did them the first time, and I wasn't happy that there was enough corner for the bid to make a smooth transition. So I redid, you know, I sanded everything down and then redid the flux corners while I was putting in the tapes. And what I found is that this stick works much better. You know, I use normal tongue depressors for mixing the epoxy anyway, and I was just using the back of this and tilting it a bit, which makes that diameter a bit tighter. You know, I wasn't going for that full diameter, that's quite wide, but if I held it at an angle like this and scraped into the seam with this edge flat against one of the surfaces, it actually made a very nice flux corner that worked much better for me than trying to do the finger thing. The finger thing was not consistent. The flux was rolling up and just causing problems, and then your hand is a mess while you're doing it too, and everything you touch gets flux on it. It was annoying the hell out of me until I did the end of the tongue depressor thing. So I'd recommend doing that.
hide away. Can you hear? War is coming, beckoning our fate. This is the day that we stand up, this is the day we fight. We'll take our pace, we won't give in, our victory's in sight. Only a sword in our hand, but we enter the lion's den. We're not waiting for a war, we bring the war to them.